different artists. And also, make good memories with them. Kasi yun talaga yung tumatak sa amin nung nag-perform kami sa 2024 round. And nagkaroon kami ng mga bagong friends. And up until now, actually, we're still in contact with them and connected with them. Kaya hopefully, magkaroon din sila ng good connection with them. And of course, collaboration that we're hoping for a collaboration with different artists.
And of course, just be proud. Be proud of the Philippines, be proud of your country. And kilala po namin yung mga representatives this year and naniniwala po talaga kami sa mga talent nila. And dun pa lang dapat maging proud na sila sa sarili nilang talent and of course sa pagiging Filipino.
Yes.
So, paano nakatulong yung Round Festival sa careers niyo?
It's such a good experience po talaga to be able to perform on stage, sa bigger stage with different people and yung races din po nila. We're very, very happy na magkaroon kami ng chance na yun. Nakatulong po sila kasi ang dami rin po namin mga fans overseas. Like for example sa in India, up until now, hinahanap pa rin po nila kami to go there and we went there I think twice. And I think mas nakikita po dito yung connection with other countries, yung mga tao din po doon. And yun, na-enjoy po natin yung